Welcome to my YouTube channel. Kindly like and subscribe if this is the first time you're seeing my videos. Hi guys, welcome to Linux command line for beginners series. Today we are going to learn about the date command. The date command in Linux is used to display and manipulate the system date and time. It can also be used to format dates, perform arithmetic on dates, and set the system clock with appropriate permission. And the basic syntax for it is date options format. To display the current date and time, I'm going to use the command date without any argument and hit enter. So this is going to show my current date, and my current date is Thursday, May 29, 2025, and this is the time. To display the date in a specific format, I use the command. Let me clear the terminal. Date. So once I hit enter, this will display the year, month, date, hour, minutes, and seconds. To set the system date and time, it will require super user privileges. For me to set the user date and time, I'm going to use the command. First of all, let me clear my terminal. Sudo date -s 2025 01. So once I hit enter, this is going to set my system date and time. To display the date for a specific time zone, I'm going to use the command tz. So this command will display the date for a specific time zone. To display the date of the previous day, I'm going to use the command date -d. Yesterday, and hit enter. This command will display the date of the previous day. For you to know or learn more details about the command, you are going to use the man page, man dates. So this is going to show us the description on how to use the command with the parameters. We have the -d parameter, the -f parameter, and so many other parameters. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly like, subscribe, and share.